In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a family member in 1password in just 5 minutes. Let's dive straight into it so that you and your loved ones can enjoy the benefits of a shared and secure password management system. To begin, make your way to the 1password login page. This is where you'll need to enter your credentials to access your account. If you haven't already logged in, click on the Login button. Remember to keep your login information secure. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the 1password home screen. This is your dashboard, where you'll see all your saved passwords and the options available to you. From here, we're going to navigate to the People section specifically designed for families. Click on People to go to the 1password for our family view. Adding family members is easy and intuitive once you're here. You'll see an option that says Invite People. Click on this to start inviting your family member. This feature is particularly useful for households that want to keep their digital lives organized and secure under one umbrella, while still maintaining individual privacy. Following the Invite People link, you should now see an option specifically for inviting a family member. Password makes it possible for you to add individuals who live with you or are part of your immediate family. Adding them here ensures they have access to a shared vault, making it easy to manage passwords for things like streaming accounts, household subscriptions, or shared utilities. As you move through this process, there will be prompts to enter the family member's email address. Make sure it's an address they actively use, as this is where they will receive the invitation to join your 1password account. Once you've entered the email, it may also allow you to customize the invitation message. This can be a great time to explain why you've chosen 1password and what they can expect moving forward. After sending the invitation, it's just a matter of waiting for the family member to accept the invite. They'll receive a link to set up their own access to your family group in 1password and create their individual password for entry. This process not only makes sharing easier, but ensures everyone is operating securely and efficiently. And there you have it. Adding a family member to your 1password account is straightforward and streamlined. It's a brilliant way to make sure that you and your family have less to worry about when it comes to managing and remembering numerous passwords. As always, keeping your passwords unique and secure is crucial. And 1password offers a way to achieve that collectively. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay secure.